Hi, good morning to everyone. I guess everyone is here already. Miss Liana, can you check the attendance?
Okay, good morning, Ms. Shopana. All members of University Convocation Secretariat are here except for Ms. Azana because she is on maternity leave till end of this month.
All right, then let's begin. First of all, I would like to apologize for the short notice of this meeting. This is due to a sudden change in plan tomorrow. Thank you everyone for attending this meeting on the Maya University Convocation 2021, and I hope you're all well prepared. As we all know, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have conducted this year's convocation ceremony online. Please suggest some great virtual meeting platforms that we can utilize for this ceremony.
I knew few platforms that I have experienced firsthand, such as Zoom, Google Meet, and Skype. Comparing these online platforms, Zoom will be a great platform to cast the live section of graduation since it has the highest maximum capacity of the participants. Moreover, our university has already subscribed to Zoom, so it will be cost effective to use this platform rather than subscribing to a new platform for this event.
I agree with Zoom. What about the invitations? How can we invite everyone to join the virtual ceremony?
No worries about that. We can invite anyone to a Zoom meeting with a URL via email using the existing student database. And once the URL is clicked, they will instantly join a virtual room. So we can also post a link in the university site and Facebook page.
Great idea, Ms. Subu. We will choose a Zoom meeting platform to hold this event. Since we have an official university site, we should have a dedicated graduation page where all of the virtual graduation ceremony content can be found in a click.
In the dedicated graduation page, I suggest we should have a section for well wishes from friends and family. They can shoot a few seconds of video on their phones as congratulating the graduates and upload them in the particular section. Beside that, we will be having a fun photo shoot when the graduates collect their academic regalia. The graduates can take photo in front of the backdrop or in a scenic location on campus. These photos should be added with an eye-catching photo burst for motion effect into the page with the graduation shoot biography.
Wow, these are wonderful ideas to make our event more lively and fun. Any other suggestions?
This would be the perfect opportunity to promote our university brand on social media. The first step for promoting should be by creating our own graduation Instagram and Twitter hashtags. For example, Maya hashtag Maya 2021 grads. We can ask parents, students, faculty, and other graduation attendees to share their photo and stories on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook using the hashtag we choose. This helps to promote all the micro moments happening at the ceremony. To ensure guests use the hashtag, we should promote it on our social media accounts as well as in the email going to event attendees.
This is an ideal hashtag for better reach. We could have a couple more hashtags too. I forgot to mention the ceremony will be held on 15 December, so I hope we have sufficient time to prepare for this event. Let's move on to the next agenda.
Each ceremony is to be held on 50th December 2021. The rehearsal sessions should be held on 30th December 2021. All graduates attending the graduation ceremony are required to wear the appropriate academic regalia. From 1st to 3rd December, graduates can hire and collect their academic regalia upon presentation via university site. The academic regalia which are hired must be written according to the term provided at registration. Additional fee will be charged in the event of the late return or if the academic regalia is written in a damaged condition.
All right, great. Who are we inviting to present the scroll for the graduates?
For the first two sessions, we can invite the university chairman himself, Tan Sri Ahmad Ali. For the third and fourth session, we can invite the university president, Professor Muhammad. Email invitation will be sent by this week once we have confirmed information on the ceremony.
Speaking of that, we will presenting awards for 5 categories to 47 graduates at the convocation ceremony. The Chairman Gold Medal Award presents its recipient with a scholarship of 10,000 ringgit and 2,000 ringgit cash with a trophy. And the President Award comprising 2 categories for both degree and diploma graduate recipients offers each with 8,000 ringgit scholarship and 1,000 ringgit cash with trophy. The outstanding awards comes with 5,000 ringgit scholarship and 1,000 ringgit in cash with a trophy. Academy awards winner each receive 2,000 ringgit in scholarship, 500 ringgit in cash and a trophy for each program of diploma and degree graduate recipients. Industry award winner received 2,000 ringgit in scholarship, a trophy and a gift from Maya University sponsoring industry partner for each program of diploma and degree graduate recipients. The special award is scholarship provided by Maya University Foundation. So the overall cost for only award and gift, including scholarship, is almost 90,000 ringgit.
There will also be a Dean List award for each faculty presented by our Dean, Dr. Lim. Each recipient will receive a trophy and certificate.
Good job, Ms. Mastara and Ms. Siti Aisha. I think we are good to go. What about the transcript and the certificate collection?
Transcript and certificates can be collected 1 week after the ceremony upon returning the academic regalia. Photos taken at the photo shoot can also be collected at the same time. A name list of all graduates will be generated to keep track of the collection and academic regalia returning. Typing errors on certificates or transcript to be addressed immediately.
Well planned. Is there anything else to be discussed?
There will be a few activities after the graduation ceremony. I suggest we should interview the graduate on their favorite memory in the university. We can add this to our university graduation page. Besides that, we can also have a graduation cap decoration contest. For the contest, graduation need to still order their cap in order to decorate them. They can also wear them for alternative celebration and post it social media. We can have another session for parents and friends to share well wish to. We will discuss more activity in our next meeting. Feel free to suggest. That is all from me.
If there isn't anything else, we can adjourn as I have another meeting after this. Our next meeting will be on 27 October 2021 at 10 a.m. Google Meet invitation will be sent and any changes will be informed. I would like to say thank you to all of you, and I hope our virtual graduation ceremony will be a great success. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.